Hi, I'm Catherine Miller, creator of the Healthy Habit Change Summit, and I want you to have lifetime access so you can enjoy even more benefits, plus the kind of long-term results you can depend on. This program is designed to make healthy lifestyle changes easy and fun. No more need to impose rigid discipline. No more futile attempts to rev up your motivation. And no more waiting until you feel you have the willpower and the energy to follow through. The Tiny Habits method we use in the summit uses behavioral science to build positive habits that become automatic, second nature. What a relief, right? So you combine that with the expert advice on women's hormonal and brain health, and you've got access to this winning combination. Wouldn't you love to get the results from healthier habits without the constant struggle that always seems to accompany making lifestyle changes? Why not make it easier for yourself? Get lifetime access to these interviews with 19 experts on habit change and women's health and wellness. Give yourself permission to dive deeply into these resources and experience a completely new and uncomplicated way to transform your health. When you purchase this kit, you get high quality videos to watch, MP3 audios, which are easy to listen to anywhere, as well as professional transcripts and a user's manual. Now, this is one of my favorite perks because when you listen and read and take notes at the same time, you understand and retain the lessons much more quickly and completely. All of these resources live on our private online course platform, which also includes private discussion forum that's not on Facebook, along with over $1,000 worth of special speaker bonus gifts and discounts. All you need to do is click the button below to get your Healthy Habit Change Kit so you can start feeling better and more confident right away.